are going to be talking about something that separates amateur filmmakers from real directors: shortlists. If you think shortlists are just for big budget Hollywood productions, let me stop you right there. Every great film, whether shot traditionally or AI generated, starts with a solid shortlist. Whether you're directing a live action shoot or using tools like Midjourney or Runway, having a clear shortlist will give your film a strong visual identity. It will help you plan camera movements and composition. It will ensure continuity between frames and speed up your workflow. And the best part, ChatGPT can help generate a fully structured shortlist that's ready for either live action or AI assisted filmmaking. Before we throw everything at ChatGPT, let's make sure we know what a shortlist actually is. A good shortlist includes the following: a shot number. Every shot gets a number for easy reference. A shot type. Is it a close up, a wide, a over the shoulder? You got to be specific. Camera movement. Is it a static shot, a dolly, crane shot, or handheld? The location. Where is this shot actually happening? Action. What's happening in the shot according to your script? And a reference. A mood board, storyboard, or an AI image for clarity. If you're working with AI generated visuals, a good shortlist will make sure your frames are consistent and actually match the tone of your film. Now that we've actually understood what a shortlist is, let's see how we can use ChatGPT to generate a structured shortlist in seconds. Generate a detailed shortlist for the opening scene of a neo-noir sci-fi thriller. The protagonist, a detective, walks through a rain-soaked city, enters a dimly lit bar, and interrogates a suspect. Include shot types, camera movements, and the visual mood. ChatGPT understands film language really well, allowing it to break down complex sequences into structured shots, saving hours of planning. And like I've said before, just like anything else that AI gives you, you have to tweak and refine to match your personal vision. If, say, you're going for a Wes Anderson feel, then ensure that you put it in the shortlist. Centered shots, locked off camera, all of that is going to make a difference when you go to shoot. You guys know the 5 C's of cinematography? When we talk about AI filmmaking, we must add another C to that list: consistency. Without consistency, your AI film is only going to look like a mismatch of shots just stitched together. Now it's time to connect your shortlist to actual visuals. Take your ChatGPT generated shot descriptions and feed them into Midjourney to create cinematic frames. Organize them in a storyboard format to create a visual flow. This gives you visual references before committing to AI generated video sequences. It helps plan for consistent lighting, framing, and shot composition. And it makes sure your AI film looks cohesive, not like a bunch of random images. Alright, here's the final checklist before you go into production. You must ensure that every shot has a clear purpose. Camera movements need to feel intentional, and shots need to start flowing smoothly into one another, which means you're thinking about the edit before you go into production. Whether you're directing a live action film or creating an AI generated shot, short lists matter. They are the roadmap that keep your film visually cohesive and ensure every frame has a purpose and impact. And now that you know how to generate shortlists with ChatGPT, the real question is, what scene are you going to plan first?